Today I am going to discuss refraction. Already this concept starts in the last weekend, Nana. Today weekend again I discuss what is the meaning of refraction. This is the surface, Nana. In the surface, to separate the two mediums, Nana. For example, this is the denser medium. This is the rarer medium. This is the surface, Nana. Above the surface medium is denser medium. Below the surface medium is rarer medium. This is the normal. Normal means perpendicular line drawn to the surface. Okay? What is the meaning of denser medium? What is the meaning of rarer medium? Here discuss. For example, refractive index of the air value 1, water value 4 by 3, that right 1.33, glass value 1.5, diamond value 2.5. Look here, refractive index of the air value 1, water value 1.33, glass value 1.5, diamond value 2.5. For example, refractive index, I take two mediums, refractive index less, that is called rarer medium. For example, this is the pair, here refractive index less, this medium is rarer, this medium is denser. For example, these pair can be taken, 1.33 is called rarer medium, 1.5 is called denser medium. Simply call as for a given pair of mediums, less refractive index is called rarer medium, more refractive index is called denser medium. Okay? Here, index is called rarer medium, more refractive index is called denser medium. This is the surface, this is denser, this is rarer. In this situation, this is the light ray coming from denser medium to rarer medium. Actually, it becomes straight. But here denser, here rarer. Rarer means velocity of light is more. So that's why it bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. Here, this is the angle of incidence. This is the angle of refraction. Suppose this is surface. This is normal. Above medium is rarer medium. Below medium is denser medium. Here, in this situation, this is the light ray. Light ray fall on the surface. Actually, it becomes straight path. Okay? Here, light coming from rarer medium to light coming from rarer medium to denser medium. In the denser medium, velocity of light decreases, so it bends towards the normal. Light ray bends towards the normal. Here, this is called the angle of incidence. This is called the angle of refraction. That means, in the light coming from rarer medium to denser medium, light ray bend towards the normal. Here, light travel from denser to rarer medium, light bend away from the normal. This phenomena is called as refraction. Today I discuss in the refraction. Look here, all of you students, look here, and this is most important topic. Okay, very most important topic for the purpose of NEET. Look here. The concept is here, object in denser medium and observer in rarer medium. Okay, look here. The question is object placed in denser medium and observer in rarer medium. This is the surface, okay? This is the water lake. This is the water nana. Here air is there. This is the well or water lake. Here nana, suppose object is placed here nana. Object. This is the object. This is the air nana. This is the water. Water refractive index is more. Its value 1.33. So it is considered as a denser medium. Air acts as a rarer medium. According to question, object placed in denser medium. In the chapter ray optics nana, light propagated in the form of straight line. Here object illuminate the light nana. Here object illuminate the light in the form of straight lines. This is the normal nana. Here object travel denser medium to rarer medium. Object travel denser medium to rarer medium. It bends away from the normal. It bends straight because it bends away from the normal because here light propagated denser medium to rarer medium. Light bends away from the normal. Here observer is there nana. Observer in rarer medium. Object in denser medium. This ray will be extended back nana. Look here. This is the object nana, but this object appears here because of refraction nana. Light ray coming from denser medium to rarer medium. Here it will be bent. It will be extended. Here object appears here. Object appears here. This is original object. This is the appears object because light bend, because of bending of light. This is the real object. This is the appears object when light coming from denser medium to rarer medium. Actually, this is called real depth of the object. RD means real depth. It is generally denoted by T. Okay. This is called appears object. So this is called apparent depth. This is called apparent depth. Okay. Nana, actually in the universe, mu value always greater than 1. Greater than 1 ravalante, numerator is more, denominator is less. According to diagram, here look here. RD is more, AD is less. So that's why here mu write as mu value always greater than 1. So write as RD by AD. Here RD is real depth of the object. AD indicate apparent depth of the object. Appears. Here what is the AD formula? According to this concept, AD equal to RD by mu nana. Here, okay. But in the topic, real depth denoted by what letter? T. T by mu. This is the formula for apparent depth. The question is object in denser medium, observer in rarer medium. What is the formula for apparent depth? T by mu, simply called as real depth by refractive index of the medium. What is the apparent shift? Look here the diagram, all of you once again. Apparent shift means look here. Actually object is original object is here. Because of bending of light, object appears here. This is called apparent shift. The ear to ear shift. This is called apparent shift. Apparent shift means according to diagram. This is apparent shift nana. This can be write in this manner. RD minus AD. Here what is the apparent shift? RD minus AD. Here RD in the chapter denoted by T. AD write as in the equation 1 T by mu. What is the final formula for apparent shift? T common nana. 1 minus 1 by mu. Here this is the formula for apparent shift. Once again repeat. What is the formula? Apparent shift. Apparent shift formula is T into 1 minus 1 by mu. This formula is applicable only for object in denser medium, observer in rarer medium. Here one note also I give Nana. Look here, this is equation number 2. Okay. Here note Nana. This is the glass slabs Nana. Look here. Here 3 glass slabs is there. Here observer is there. Here object is there. Object in denser medium, observer in rarer medium. Okay. Each slab thickness is here T1, it's a refractive index mu1. Here thickness T2, refractive index mu2. Here thickness T3, refractive index is mu3. Here in the chapter, what is the apparent depth formula? Real depth by mu according to equation 1. Okay. Object in a denser medium RD. Here RD write as T1 by mu1 plus tell me T2 by mu2 plus T3 by mu3. This is the total apparent depth formula. What is the total apparent depth formula? That means this object shifts here. Okay, here this can be determined. Apparent depth formula is T1 by mu1 plus T2 by mu2 plus T3 by mu3. For example, apparent shift can be calculated. Apparent shift formula is T into 1 minus 1 by mu. Right? T1 into 1 minus 1 by mu1 plus 2. T2 into 1 minus 1 by mu2 plus T3 into 1 minus 1 by mu3. This is most important note Nana. The second note is look here Nana. What is the apparent depth formula here? Real depth by mu Nana. Here differentiating on both sides with respect to time. Here apparent depth is nothing but the distance. Both sides I apply differentiating with respect to time on both sides d by dt of rd by mu Nana. Here distance by time is called velocity. This is appears in the chapter. Appears is nothing but the image Nana. Velocity of image equal to here constant common 1 by mu common. Distance by time is called velocity. This is original, so this is called object. This is the relation between velocity of the image and velocity of the object. Look here Nana. This is when this is applicable. Object in a denser medium, observer in rarer medium. What is the formula? Velocity of the image equal to 1 by mu of the velocity of the object. Okay. In the next video, I discuss object in rarer medium, observer in denser medium.